So it's Friday today and I just got an order for one of the Starbags, so I'm going to get that packed. It's the one that has this detail on it. So I've made a bag to put it in, just out of some vintage lace. So I'm going to get that packed up now. So it's Friday today. It's a little bit later in the week that I'm starting. Well, it's the last day of the week, but I'm just updating. I made this long skirt the other day. I really like it. It's got all this kind of crystal detail, and I'm gonna make a matching top to go with it. I love this fabric color. It's like a lavender pink color. It's beautiful. Also brought in this fabric which has these beautiful colors in it. This was a vintage dress that I had, and I didn't really wear it, so I decided to use the fabric because it's so gorgeous. So I thought I would make some skirts kind of in a similar way that I made the other bits that are patchworked with these colors. I think it might be interesting for autumn to have that going on. I'll probably add some extra detail to this, patches or screen prints or something. Right now I'm working on some new Starbags in this kind of the same fabric, just to have some to match the dress. So yeah, I'm just gonna add some of my like sequin details to it as well, and that's what I'm working on for this afternoon. It's really warm today, so I don't know how long I'm going to be able to stay in. Yeah, so I'll check back in a while. So it's Monday today. The light is a little bit better to show you the two parts of the Starbags I've made, and then I'm going to do the backs and the ruffles and hopefully get them finished this week. That will be a good shout. I also still need to make a top to match this skirt. So I'll get that done, and then I have an order to pack. So yeah, busy Monday. So I just made the gift bag for the order. Oh, let me show you what was ordered actually. So it was one of my Starbags, but I made one that was kind of like a distressed version. So it's got like uneven hem details. I'll show you in the mirror maybe actually. Yeah, so it's more like a distressed version of the bag, and then it's got like the bow ties for here. Yeah. So that is how it looks there. And you can see I just kind of distressed the edges. But I really like how that looks, and then I just put in loads of stitches so it won't fray past there. Yeah, I'm going to get that packed now. I just added some beads to the bow because I thought that was cute, and now I'll add a tag. Good morning, it's Tuesday. Don't know where I left you yesterday, but I've been working on the Starbags and trying to get some crochet stuff started. So I'll just show you what I've done, and then today I'll probably try and finish my Starbags, which is kind of boring because it's very repetitive, but I would love to have a few of them done, so I think I'll try and do that today. Let me show you them anyway. So these are the lavender ones with the sequin detail, and then the back is just plain, which is quite nice as well actually, but I do love the sequins. And then this one is just in progress, so I need to get that one done today and get them both finished. Then I also have some crochet that I've been playing around with. I want to make like crochet bags. Yeah, I'd like to make like crochet kind of like bags, like the strap will probably be the same, and then I was thinking of getting like sequins and like adding sequins on as well, which could be kind of cool. Or do I make scrunchy bags, like, you know, those old kind of bags with the huge loop handles? I'm not sure. Maybe I'll make a few different types, but I'd love to have like sequins hanging off and maybe like keychains and stuff and just all that. So yeah, I always feel really bad though cutting into crochet. That's the only thing, but that's what I was doing yesterday. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and get these Starbags finished today. It's so much warmer than I thought it was. It felt really autumny this morning, and now it's so warm, so I'm gonna have to try and open the window now and get on with it. So cool, I'm gonna make some coffee and then we will get into it. So it's a few days later and I don't know where I left off, but these are the finished bags. So I have two of them done, ready. And then I did this skirt. I have to make a matching top for this skirt. I've just finished cutting out all of this fabric and I'm going to go printing because I've ran out of labels for my clothes, so I was going to screen print some small ones. And then I'm also doing a market in Trinity College next week, and I was going to get some patches ready for that. So yeah, I'm going to go in and get as much of these printed up as I can. So that is my plan for today. So I'm just on my way now to go printing. It's so horrible out, but yeah, I'll film what I can when I get in and show you what I get done. Okay, so just in the studio now, And first thing I'm going to do is print up some labels because I don't have any labels left for my clothes. So I've just brought in these kind of small fabric patches that I'm going to print. I think for the darker I'm going to go with, I have some of this kind of pastel-y colour left, and then I might just go with black for the other kind of lighter colours. Yeah, so I'm going to get them printed up first.